Hey there, everybody. Kenny with Rasmus Auctions. Today I'm in Warrenton, Virginia, and I'm going to take you for a walk around, show you some of the stuff that's going to be included in this auction. So we got this lovely restored GMC. Let me zoom out a little bit. Nice GMC Suburban, year 1958. In gorgeous blue, very good condition. Absolutely gorgeous. All right. This auction also has a ton of brand new in-box items. Everything from nightstands to dressers, bed frames, which we'll go take a look at. We got brand new in-box light fixtures, a couple different styles, a couple desks, two brand new in-box, one's not, mirrors. All those are brand new in-box. Nightstands. We've got the chairs over here. An example of that would be this. Headboards with the frames. Some more office chairs. Here's the nightstand. It's pretty cool. It has a spot where you can charge up all your accessories. Here's an example of one of the office chairs. All right, let's go this way. Also in this auction is this Ford F750 dump truck. $91,000 miles on this bad boy. All right, everybody. That does it for me. Thanks for tuning in and happy bidding.